Don't burn your bridges, you might need them later. Being yourself forces everyone else to become like you. There are two things in life you should never waste: time and money. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid of failing to try. Finding someone you can trust is hard. Finding someone who will be there for you during your bad times is a blessing. Don't strive to learn everything. Strive to learn the one thing that will transform the lives of many. Listening is the greatest learning technique. You owe nobody anything, so don't waste your time feeling bad about it. When a storm comes, dig deeper. Fighting a battle you will not win is like batting your head against a wall. Picking an issue with your best friend is like killing a harmless animal. Running away from a fight won't kill you. Cheating someone you love is like laughing and sneezing at the same time. Finding a good friend among many predators can be dangerous. If you ever find yourself among many silent people, put a tap on your mouth. Sometimes it is necessary to laugh with your eyes alone. Self-control is a precious asset. Self-discipline is an excellent virtue you can't live without. Every failure is preparing you for excellence. Competing with people is a futile attempt to justify your defeat. What you are worried about will not happen. Everything will be okay if you want it to be okay badly. Don't expect everyone to like you. Your destiny would not be possible without opposition. Everything is possible, but you must believe beyond your own limits. A polite answer to a rude question is like killing a fire's fire with water. If your blessing came before you were ready, it wouldn't be a blessing, it would be a curse. Don't get too attached to your own opinions to miss the myriad opportunity on the other side of opposing views. Don't reject an opportunity simply because you dislike the person presenting the opportunity. Success tends to come in small doses. Caring is when someone scratches that part of on your back that you can't reach.